Installing a rear drive cage. Note, the rear 8-bay 2.5-inch drive cage is shown in this video. The replacement procedure for other types of rear drive cage is the same. Remove the top cover. If your server comes with riser assemblies, remove them. Removing rear wall brackets. Unfasten the screws. Remove the bracket from the chassis. Installing the required rear wall brackets. Align the rear wall bracket with the chassis, and then insert the bracket into place. Fasten the screws to secure the rear wall bracket. Installing the rear drive cage assembly. Lower the rear drive cage assembly into the chassis and then move it forward until it clicks into position. Fasten the screws to secure the drive cage assembly. Connect the cables to the rear drive backplane. Install the top cover. Reinstall the drives or drive fillers into the rear drive cage.